We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit. Now we'll take you up to the unit.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I'm in front of 242 Bala Avenue. It's a building located at the intersection of Bala and Montgomery. Here, I'm here to show you a 2-bed and 1-bath unit in this building. After I say this, I will get in and show you the inside of the unit. There are 2 doors. This is the vestibule. The first door, you just get access to it. The second one, you need to have a key to get in. I just opened it for this video, but you need to have a key to open this door and to get to the building. The unit I'm about to show you is located on a 3rd floor, unit 3. It is a nice 2-bed, 1-bath unit. Okay, this is unit 3, the top floor unit. Okay, as I walk in here, you see this private space for your storage or anything you like to do. You can set up a chair here. You can use it as a recreation place, or you can use it to store stuff. You have a door. You can't go outside, but you could see to the Bala Avenue from here. And this is the unit door. As I walk in, you have this huge living room, a very high ceiling, a beautiful hardwood floor. Is huge. It has 2 windows for a natural light. This is that is the building across the street. The one you saw is a BMW dealer. I was there outside. That is the Bala Avenue. And here on this room we have non-working fireplace. Very nice. You have by the door the intercom to talk to your guests from downstairs, or to let them in from here without you going downstairs. At that corner, you have a nice storage closet. You also have digital thermostat to control the temperature of the room. The place has a central central heat, and the place has central heat and a window unit for the air. This is what it looks like from this side. And next to the living room, you have this beautiful dining room. It's a big size. You have a ceiling light, a high ceiling, and you have these huge windows. It's very bright. It has same beautiful hardwood floor. You have a built-in closet space over there, storage space. This is what it looks like from this angle. Next to the dining room, you have this door, and as I open, you get into the kitchen. It's a huge kitchen with a lot of storage space. You have a gas oven. They are going to put a washing machine here, washer and dryer. A stacked up washer and dryer will be placed here. They are working on that. And you will have a fridge over there. This is what the kitchen looks like. It's a good size, nice size kitchen. You have a pantry here. In a kitchen, you have this door that leads you to the fire stairs. Open, you're out. And this is the back of the building. You have these fire stairs that takes you down to the first floor. I mean, over there. After the kitchen, back to the kitchen again. I'd like to show you the other 2 bedrooms we have. It's a huge, big size bedrooms. The first one is this. It has a beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, big. It has 2 huge windows. You get a lot of natural light. It's very bright. This huge bedroom. It's beautiful. This corner you have big size closet space. Huge bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Then you have here across the hallway from the bigger bedroom, you have this bath. I'm gonna get in and show you in a little bit. First, I want to show you the smaller bedroom. Here in this smaller bedroom, you have this nice closet space. Two windows for a natural light. Nice. Beautiful hardwood floor. It gets bright. I didn't turn on any light. It just gets a lot of natural light through these windows. This is what it looks like from this angle. Right next to this bedroom, we have storage closets with a shelf and hallway. Big size. Nice size storage closet. And the last room I would like to show you is this beautiful and big size bathroom. The bathroom has a tile floor, a very nice tile floor, tile walls throughout, a window for fresh air, and a sink, toilet. You have a medicine cabinet with a mirror. You also have bathtub shower combo. Just beautiful and big bathroom we have. I just showed you a 2-bed, 1-bath unit in Bala Cynwyd. The address is 242 Bala Avenue. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. I thank you for watching. Bye.